How to design a logo mockup in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Open Illustrator, create a new file, make it 500 by 500 pixels. Click the pen tool. Give it a black fill. Hold Alt and click on the anchor point to make the line straight. Click on the Direct Selection tool. Adjust the anchor points. I think you get the idea. Highlight the logo and place it well. Next, go to File, Export as PNG. Pick any folder to save it, give it a name. Open your image in Photoshop, drag and drop your logo. Place it very well. Use the text tool to add text. Hide the image layer to adjust your logo properly. Place the text. Reveal image layer. Hold Ctrl and click on the 3 layers to highlight them. Right-click. Convert to Smart Object. Ctrl-T for transform. Right-click. Distort. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius around 6. Click on OK. Set the opacity around 80%. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Set distance around 20. Make the angle 50. Drag layer down to create new layer. Change the motion blur distance to 15. Change the Gaussian blur to 4. Drag layer down to add new layer. Change the Gaussian blur radius to 3 and the motion blur distance to 10. Drag down layer to duplicate it. Click the other layers and group them. Click on the first layer, remove the filter. Add layer style, drop shadow. Use the adjustment numbers. Duplicate layer. Remove layer effect. Go to blending mode. Follow the adjustments. Duplicate layer. Move once to the right. Repeat the process. Group the layers selected. Click on the top layer, remove the layer style. Go to Layer Style, Gradient Overlay. Go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. Go to Properties Adjustment, Levels. That is it. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.